skip frying. Cook your chicken in boiling orange juice for an incredible recipe. I'm sure your family will love it. Let's start by adding 2 pounds of chicken drumettes to the pot. 1½ cups of orange juice. This orange-infused chicken is going to turn out incredibly juicy and flavorful. Mix it well. The chicken is already soaking up all that citrus goodness. This is going to be so tender and flavorful. Cover the pot and let it cook for 10 minutes. Add 4 minced garlic cloves, half a teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Mix it well. These spices are adding layers of flavor. You can already tell this chicken is going to be irresistible. Cover the pot again and let it cook for another 10 minutes until the chicken is golden. Now add 1 cup of water, 5 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of mustard, and 1 tablespoon of honey. The honey will add a sweet touch to our chicken and balance out the acidity of the orange. Mix it well. Look how delicious this is. Cover the pot and let it cook for 8 minutes. And our chicken is ready. Easy and super juicy. I'm sure your family will love it. Look how delicious this is. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in our next recipe. Enjoy!